Hey everyone, I am Mazhar Hussain from Microsoft. In the previous video, you have seen how to create your Azure Virtual Desktop host pools and then do desktop publishing. And finally, we saw how to log in to the virtual desktop using web browser, web client, and installable client. The one which I had for the Mac, you do have similar for Windows as well. So today we are going to see how we can first of all create the application groups and then attaching certain application, their assignment, and then testing the application login finally from the web browser as well as the installable client. So here you can see there on the AVD console you do have your host pool, which is one host pool. We are not creating a new host pool here. We are going to consume the same one, so we'll modify it in order to consume it for RemoteApp Publishing. And we have one application group which is for desktop application group, and we'll create one normal RemoteApps publication group, right? So let's come down here. Rest everything is going to be same. So first of all, we'll go to this host pool and we'll click on properties of this host pool on the left hand side under settings blade. So while creating this host pool, we chose app group type to be desktop. We will convert that to remote app. We will save this here. This is updated. Now let's go to the application group, and now here we'll go ahead and create a new application group for remote application. So we have one host pool, we'll select that. Since pool type is for remote application, it is only showing remote app here, desktop is grayed out, so we'll call it as remote app group. All right, I missed on selecting this. This is selected, so this is good. Now click on next here, add applications. Yes, I want to add application. From where you want to fetch the application. If you have any file path, you can go with that, or app attaches are there. We'll talk about it later. Let's look for start menu. So there are multiple application. Since it's a virtual machine or the image which you have opted, it is for Microsoft 365 image. It does have Office application installed and all other application which you can find inside your start menu. So let's pick up the Word here, and let's call it as Word, and then add. Here you can add other applications also. So let's pick up your Excel once again, give it as name over here, and add, or let's add few more applications. We do have PowerPoint, and let's bring up and you can give custom name also, PowerPoint remote app kind of thing, remote app. Okay, remote it is. So I've added these three application. Go to next, and then I want to do the assignment for this, and I'll go ahead and choose my same group here, AVD users, and select this one. Done. Next, workspace. Now, do you want to register it under a workspace? Yes, I want, but if you see, there is no available workspace for the selection. Another application group in host pool 1 has already been registered, so you cannot register one host pool to multiple application workspaces also. So it is already registered, that's why it is grayed out. So it will be done, and tags not now, create, and once the validation successful, we'll do the submission. This activity should not be taking too much of time because logically you're not creating any entity. It's just a kind of metadata and some assignments. So it should be completing within few seconds to few minutes. So we are done, and it's here. We have three applications under this. We saw like this. Perfect. Next, we will go ahead and check on authentication part of it, test it out, right? Let's go back. So this is my user account and sign in. Let it load the workspace, and you see there are three applications. So I'm just loading, let's say Excel for now. Allow. It is going to prompt me for authentication once again. Click on submit. So finally it is launching your Excel. It has launched the Excel. It's going to prompt me for authentication once again for Excel. Anyways, this is for activation. This account of mine doesn't have Office license attached to it, so it may not work here. So I've tried logging in with my corporate account, and let's see, it worked. You have seen the look and feel with web component. Let's look how it looks on installable client. So this is my user which is already logged in, and I'm just refreshing the applications. As soon as I refresh, I see it here. Let me click Excel here. Now one thing is very beautiful. Once you launch certain application like this, you will see them as if they are running into this base machine. Somehow this has come on my other screen. So let's launch PowerPoint. See, it started launching PowerPoint, and it is prompting for sign in, which I don't have, but so I'm skipping it. Yeah, that's pretty much for this, and see you in the next session. Thank you.